guys, it's Erin G. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm cooking adobo sa asin. Adobo with salt. Nothing else but a lot of garlic. Okay, I use 3 heads of garlic. I smash skin on because it's more tasty. Of course, asin, salt, and look at that. Okay, guys. First, we have to add the mashed garlic on our pork. Then, my hands are clean. Then, we have to mix and mash the garlic on the pork. Like that. I use pork with fat. I remove the skin. Okay? Just mash. Okay. Mix. We add some salt. Then mix. It and add water. Make sure all the meat is covered, and we're gonna cook into the stove and render the fat. Then cook until golden brown. We will continue to cook until the meat is golden brown. Look at the garlic. It smells so good. Look at the garlic as it sticks on the I covered, then lowered the fire. Let's check our adobo, guys. Okay, adobo is finally done. Wow, look at that caramelized garlic. This adobo is best served with steamed rice and chopped tomatoes. Remove the oil before we serve. I hope you like this video, guys. Let's eat. Bye. Thanks for watching. It's Erin G.